Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make a yogurt cranberry cake with white chocolate icing. Delicious. Let's go. So what you're going to need for the cake is flour, vanilla yogurt, sugar, cranberries, egg, salt, baking soda and baking powder, and butter. And for the icing you'll need white chocolate chips, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and a little bit of butter. So to make the cake, we're going to simply cream the butter and the sugar together. Just do a low speed with this. Now that the butter and sugar is mixed together, we're going to add in our eggs. Okay, now that this is all mixed together, we're going to add our dry ingredients in a bowl and just give that a light whisk. And we're going to add this into our butter and sugar mixture. We're going to mix this together well. And now we'll add the yogurt into our cake mix and give it a stir. Now that our cake is all mixed, we're going to pour it into a well-greased bundt pan. We're just going to pour half of the batter in around the pan, and then we'll layer in the cranberries. So just sprinkle the cranberries around. It smells good already. And then we'll pour in the rest of the batter. Make sure you cover all the cranberries up. So we'll give it a final smooth over. And that's it. Now we're going to put this in our oven. It's a 350-degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes until the top is nice and golden brown. Let's check our cake. Ooh, it looks good. It's nice, golden and brown on top. That's what you want. So we're just going to put this on a cooling rack over the top, and then you're going to flip it over. Voila. And let it sit like this for a few minutes. And while this is cooling off a little bit, we're going to go ahead and make our white chocolate icing. Alright, so to make the white chocolate icing, we're going to basically make a hot water bath and put a bowl inside. It's like a double boiler. It's a nice simmering water, and we're going to add our white chocolate chips into the bowl. Along with that, you'll add in your butter and your vanilla. And we're just going to stir this all together until it's completely melted. Okay, now that the white chocolate is incorporated with the butter, we're going to add a little bit of milk. We're going to remove it from the heat. We're just going to stir it in carefully. Start to add our powdered sugar in. I do about half a cup at a time until you get the right consistency that you would like. Okay, let's check our cake. Ooh, it looks pretty. It smells amazing. We're just going to put this on a plate. And then what I like to do with the icing is just kind of drizzle it all around. You want a little. Now we get to taste the cake. Oh my gosh. You have to make this cake. It's so good. Perfect this time of year in the fall. Or make it for the holiday season. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe so you never miss a video. And you can also find me on Facebook and Twitter, and don't forget to check the website to get all the instructions for the recipe. See you next time.